So guys, as I made you aware, the Anti-Flap Kit Pro Plus comes preset to suit most rollout awnings. So what we're going to do is set this up. We're going to put the two sides together, and then we're going to show you how to also change out the attachments on the end to suit other awning types or models on the market. Let's go. As you can see, the length of that bar is a bit longer than it used to be, and that's just so we can get the projection length to go from the 2100 all the way out to that 2500. Middle piece comes with the little knurled knobs there, so you can tighten up as you get your projection right. So simply slides in. We'll just tighten off here. As you can see, it doesn't go anywhere, nice and tight. Third piece there, same as the other one, we've got to pull out that middle piece on the inside. So that is side one done, and what we'll do is rinse and repeat for the second side. So there you have it, the two sides are now assembled. So this Anti-Flap Kit Pro Plus is now set up for use for a rollout awning. As I mentioned earlier, you can untoggle both of those to change the projection length as you see fit for your awning and to make sure it's nice and taut. The end pieces here go straight into the brackets which will be installed on your caravan, and that's where they go. On this side here, we have the two spigot ends already pre-installed, and that goes into your barrel once you drill it through. So what we're going to move on from now is we're going to show you how to change out the end attachments to suit other awnings in the market.